Let's begin our lesson on one-step equations with adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. On this page, we'll do 4 problems together. We'll do 7, 8, 9, and 10. After we finish, you can go back and finish the rest. I also have another page, page 4, that's just like this, that I'd like for you to practice and get comfortable with these skills. Let's begin. Look at number 7. We have 8 times x equals 64. Remember, with algebra, we've got to get that x all by itself. In order to do that, we've got to get rid of the 8. Right now, we're multiplying x times 8. The opposite will get rid of the 8. So the opposite of times 8 is divided by 8. So that means we'll divide both sides by 8. When we do that, it cancels out the 8 and you're left with x equals, then we have 64 divided by 8. And that gives us 8. Your final answer is x equals 8. Therefore, if you go back and substitute, 8 times 8 is 64. Let's move on to number 8. You've got x divided by 2 equals 12. Right now, you have x divided by 2. But to get x by itself, you'll do the opposite, which is times 2. So we'll write that like this. Times 2 on this side, and then we'll go to the other side and we'll also multiply the 12 times 2. When we do that, the 2's cancel out and we're left with x on the left side equals 12 times 2, which makes 24. The answer for number 8 is x equals 24. Moving down to number 9, we have negative 11 plus x equals 89. To get x by itself, we'll do the opposite of negative 11. That's positive 11 plus 11 on both sides. The 11 cancels out. We're left with x equals 89 plus 11. That gives us 100. The value of x in number 9 is 100. For our last one together, let's go down to number 10. 7 equals x divided by 8. Since we're dividing x by 8, to get rid of the 8, we'll multiply x by 8. What we do on one side, we do to the other, as always. So we'll multiply both sides by 8. On the right side, the 8's cancel out. So we're left with x on that side. On the left side, we have 8 times 7. That makes 56 equals x. The value for x in number 10 is 56. And let's go ahead and write it the other way, the standard way, x equals 56. And there you have it. On this page, we did 7, 8, 9, and 10 together. You should have answers for all of those. Next, you will do 1, 2, 3, and 4 by yourself, and then 5, 6, 11, and 12, using the same strategies that we used before. When you finish, next, go find the page 4. There are more problems similar to these that'll give you more practice so that you don't forget what we've learned. Go have at it.